Integrate the MP5000 seamlessly into your existing automation environment with software frameworks like Python, C#, and Labview, or with compatible instrument drivers. Go farther and enable faster test speeds with native TSP scripting built with TSP Toolkit, a Visual Studio Code extension. Purpose-built debugging and script generation tools in TSP Toolkit ease the lift to create your custom test. Export these tests as scripts to combine with data analysis tools and additional control code. Need to scale? TSP Link lets you connect up to 32 mainframes and other TSP-enabled instruments into a unified system with precision synchronization, perfect for high channel count applications. From faster test execution to reduced setup time, the MP5000 is built to help you test more efficiently. Thanks for watching, and for more information on the MP5000, visit tek.com.